Assalamu alaikum and a very warm good morning to my sweet kids. Hope all are fit, fine and happy at your home. Are you watching your videos very well? Watch it, each and every subject's videos very carefully and enjoy your online classes. If you truly love nature, you will find the beauty everywhere. I repeat, if you truly love the nature, you will find the beauty everywhere. You may get its meaning. You may get this quote's meaning at the end of the class. Okay? Which lesson did we introduce in last class? Do you remember? Yes, the most beautiful thing. The most beautiful thing. Who is searching for the most beautiful thing? Yes, it is the queen. Queen was utter bored and she wants to see a different sort of beauty and she was searching for that. And the poor advisor tried to make her happy, but she was disappointed and happy. And she ordered to hold a contest of contest for the most beautiful thing and announced the prize. What was the prize? The crown of queen. And the crown was studded, decorated with pure gold and gems. Many people came to show the beautiful things, but she was not happy. And she heard a old man's words. What? She wants to go in search of that beauty. It will not come to her palace. And she is surprised to hear these words. How can she go for that beauty? But the old man disappeared from there. And the advisor said, nonsense words. Don't bother about those words. But she decided to set for a trip. And she ordered to make all arrangements. And all arrangements were made and she is going for a trip. And she doesn't know where she wants to go and where she can find out the beauty. But she started. When the royal carriage, what is the meaning of royal carriage? See here, this is the royal carriage. The king, queen, prince, princess used to travel this vehicle. Royal carriage, when it set out from the palace, all the people cheered because they are happy to see the royal carriage. When it rounded a hill, she looked back the palace and she shocked, she surprised to see the beauty of her palace. Her home, the palace are shining between the two towers in the setting sun, and it's looking like as the picture of a storybook. That much clear, that much beauty it is. She felt very happy. The queen spent weeks traveling. She saw beauty everywhere. In the birds flying back to her, their nest, in a newly born calf, in the twinkling stars, in the green valley mountain, and the top of a mountain covered with snow. Everywhere she saw the beauty. One day when she was traveling, when she was sailing in a lake, she understood. She felt very peaceful after many years. With her all might, with her all strength, she broke a piece of crown and put in the lake. And very calmly she looked at the singing piece. As she journeyed back to the palace, she put a piece of crown at the root of a big tree, at the bottom of a green valley mountain, at the top of a snow-capped mountain. And she put a piece on the mane of a pony. Pony means small horse, baby horse. And she dropped a piece in a stream. Little by little, her crown became smaller and smaller until nothing was left. But she found out the beauty, the most beautiful thing. She was happy. What was that most beautiful thing? Do you know? Anyone got? Yes, it is the world. The world is the most beautiful thing. That's why I quoted those words in the beginning of our class. What was that? If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Okay, children? Children, open your textbook and take page number 28. You must go to it. Here we stopped in the last class, isn't it? Now listen the next line. The queen was astonished. When she heard the old man's words, she surprised. Astonished means surprised. She asked, "What do you mean?" But the old man did not hear her words. Why? The man was gone. The queen's advisor said, "Do not bother yourself about what he said, Your Majesty. Do not bother yourself. You don't bother about that old man's words, nonsense words. What he said, Your Majesty." Your Majesty means respectful word for addressing king and queen. But the queen had an idea. Send everyone home. Send everyone home. Who all are there? She was pointing to the people still waiting in line. People are there in the line to show the beautiful things. And she ordered to send everyone home. I must prepare for a trip. She wants to go for a trip. The advisor was surprised. A trip? Where to? He asked. And she also doesn't know where to go. The queen smiled and said, "Elsewhere," because she doesn't know. Elsewhere. All arrangements were made. The queen was so excited that she wore her best dress and her crown for the journey. The queen was very happy. That's why she wore her best dress and her crown for that trip. The crowd means people, cheered as the royal carriage moved out of the palace gates. When the royal carriage set out from the palace gates, the people cheered. The queen was not sure what she was seeking, what she was looking. Seeking means searching or looking for. The queen was not sure. She was not sure what she was seeking or where to find it. And she don't know where to find the most beautiful thing. But as her carriage rounded a hill, she looked back at the palace. She looked back at the palace. The setting sun sparkled between the white towers of the palace. The setting sun sparkled, shine brightly between the white towers. So we can understand she started her journey in the evening when sun set, because the setting sun sparkled between the white towers. The scene looked like something out of a storybook. What's the meaning of the scene looked like something out of a storybook? It looked as pretty. Pretty means beautiful. It looked, her palace looked as pretty as a picture in a storybook. Why have I never seen my home this way before? And she wondered, why have I never seen, why I did not see my home this way before? Because it is very beautiful in the sparkling sunset. The queen spent weeks traveling. The queen spent weeks traveling. She saw beauty everywhere. When she was traveling, she saw beauty everywhere. Where did she find out the beauty? In the birds flying back to their nest. She saw the beauty in the birds flying back to their nest. In a newly born calf, calf means baby of a cow, and in the twinkling stars, everywhere she saw the beauty. Now take next page. One day, when the queen was sailing in a lake, she realized that she felt peaceful for the first time in many years. One day, when the queen was sailing in a lake, lake means what? A water body. Okay, like stream, pool, like that, lake. She realized, she understood that she felt peaceful, calmness for the first time in many years. Suddenly she understood that. With all her might means what? Using all her strength, she broke off a piece of her crown. She broke her crown, one piece of her crown. Then what she did? She tossed. Tossed means to throw something carelessly. She tossed the piece into the lake and watched it slowly sink. I am ready to return home. Now she saw many things, many beautiful things. Where she saw? In the birds flying back to their nest, in a newly born calf, in the twinkling stars, a green valley, mountains, snow-covered mountains, and big trees. Everywhere she saw the beauty. And at last she announced what? I am ready to return home. It means what? She is very happy now and she find out the most beautiful thing. As she journeyed back to palace, the queen left a piece. The queen put a piece of her crown at the root of an old tree. Why? First she threw a piece of her crown in a lake, and now she put a piece of her crown at the root of an old tree. Then she placed a piece at the bottom of a green valley and the top of a snow-capped mountain. Then next she dropped a piece in a stream. After that she tied a piece onto the mane of a pony. Mane of a pony. Pony means mane, that hair of a pony. Pony means baby horse. Why did she put like this? Do you know? Because she had offered. When she got the most beautiful thing, she will give her crown as the prize. Now she find out beauty everywhere. That's why she broke it piece and put everywhere. Understood? Little by little, Queen's crown got smaller and smaller until nothing was left. Queen's crown got smaller and smaller until nothing was left. She had found the most beautiful thing. It was the world. And what was the most beautiful thing? She had found the most beautiful thing, and it was the world. Children, now listen this box. When you read the last line of the story, what are your feelings? What is the last line? The most beautiful thing, it was the world. What is your feeling? Pick one word from this list. Whether it is a joy or pride or surprise. What was your feeling? Children, now we should understand that we should always thank to God Almighty, because God Almighty had set everything very beautifully for us, isn't it? That is the world, and we always should be very thankful to the God Almighty. Okay children, read the lesson very carefully and complete the words. Now listen these words, comprehension. Complete these sentences and answers I have written here. Let us read. The queen sent the dash away when they started playing in the same old song. What's the answer? Court musicians. Number 2, the queen said she needed a different sort of beauty. Number 3, the queen's crown was pure gold, studded with magnificent gems. Number 4, the bearded man waited for 2 days in the line to talk to the queen. Last one, the queen suddenly felt peaceful when she was sailing in a lake. I know you know these all answers, but I had wrote here, and you copy this one in your textbook. Okay children, and again I remind you, read the lesson minimum 3 times. Okay, then only you can understand all the lines. Okay, thank you children.